Hi, Lote Patrimonio here, and I am your lecturer for this course. And this course is entitled Principles of Patronage Refund and Computation of Interest and Share Capital. So for this course, cooperative leaders, managers, and members in the knowledge and skills necessary to effectively manage patronage refund processes. By understanding the legal framework, principles, and practical aspects, participants will contribute to the equitable distribution of cooperative benefits and promote financial transparency. So it is important for the cooperative leaders to learn the principles on the patronage refund and the interest on share capital. But for more details about this information, you can always refer to the Cooperative Development Authority's Memorandum Circular number 2019-09 on patronage refund guidelines. So feel free to adapt and learn from us also. So for this course, you will learn many things also in the theory about the interest on share capital and the patronage refund. So without much further ado, I'd like to bring you to the course outline. Thank you very much and have a good day.